born in San Diego.
My parents really influenced my creativity by always allowing me to have the space to create. Specifically, I remember my stepdad always being so amazed about everything or anything that my sister and I.
Where are they? At Shopko?
Yeah.
No, look at that.
Okay, we can't, okay, see it. I saw it.
That always meant a lot. Encouraged me to continue to lean into any type of creativity I had. I feel like the love I had in my household really influenced the way I wanted to output things into the world. When I was 5 years old, my mom got married. My mom decided to go to treatment for her alcohol addiction. That was where she met my stepdad, Pat. They were both going to Alcoholics Anonymous at the same time, and that's where they really got to know each other. Throughout that year, she really wanted to be independent and be on her own so she could take care of me and my sisters. With his addiction, he caused a lot of pain within his relationship with his own children, so he could understand why this was so important to my mom, that she wanted to get sober for us and really learn to stand on her own so she could put us first. He had a lot of interest in different types of hobbies, so at a young age I could always see him either learning about something new, maybe bird watching. I think at that time it showed me it's okay to explore and try new things. And even though I don't have distinctive memories, I do remember just feeling encouraged by everything that he was doing and learning and teaching me. And I think that sparked a light in me of that's something I like to do. I like to learn. I like to try new things. The relationship I had with my stepdad felt really important because in some way it felt like maybe he had a second chance. Not everybody has the opportunity to, one, have a second chance, but also be in my shoes where you are seen as a second chance. In 2019, my mom decided to get a divorce from my stepdad. He unfortunately found his way back to old addictions. At the end of 2020, on New Year's Eve, I lost my stepdad to suicide. Due to COVID still going on, we never really had a chance to have a funeral. And it was really hurtful because I didn't have that chance to, one, say goodbye and tell him how grateful I was that I was his second chance. It could be really easy to ask yourself questions that you'll never get the answers to. But as I learned to grieve, I've also learned to love. The way he loved me and my sisters is a way I would want to love anybody in my life. And not everybody gets the opportunity to have such a great, loving relationship with their step-parent. There are days that I really miss him, and I wish he could be here to see all the things I've done after he's passed. But at the same time, I know he's looking down at me and saying, "I'm so proud of you. I can't believe everything you've accomplished. I always know you could do it." These are the types of thoughts that I hear in my head because it's what I heard when I was younger. And these are the things that I can continue to say to every person that walks into my life because love is never taken for granted.